Python. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, and dynamically typed programming language developed by Guido van Rossum. It was first released on 20th February 1991. These are some of the key features in Python. 1. We have readability. Readability simply means the code of Python is very clean and it is easy to read. 2. Versatility. Versatility means it has different abilities. Why do I say so? It can be used in web development, machine learning, automation, and many more. 3. Cross-platform. This means Python is compatible with a major operating system. This makes it very easy for developers to write code that works on different platforms. These are some of the popular apps built with Python: Spotify, YouTube, Netflix, Pinterest, and Dropbox. Don't forget to follow, like, and share for more programming tips.